Land grabbers have been warned to return the land they acquired illegally and those with similar intents to stop before the law catches up with them. James Orengo was handing back 11 pieces of land belonging to the judiciary, where the Chief Justice Willy Mutunga affirmed the judiciary's support in correcting past land injustices. The two put land grabbers on notice.
We have tried as Ministry of Lands to make interventions to recover public land, and have in the last 3 years retrieved about 1,000 parcels of land which had irregularly gone into private hands.
Impunity has no clearer manifestation than this, that an individual or a group of individuals would appropriate that which belongs to the common good for their private benefit without expecting any consequences. No one, however exalted their status, can rusticate the judiciary or any other public institution for that matter, confident that nothing will happen to them, not under the current constitutional dispensation.
Lands Minister, who was flanked by Lands Ministry officials, exuded optimism, promising that all the illegally acquired lands will be recovered as soon as he is up to task by drafting and tabling all the land bills that will continue to give muscle to his ministry in executing its mandate.
This week we are going to appoint a team to finalize the drafting of the community land bill, and I'm happy that the Treasury has availed to us the sum of nearly 90 million shillings to make this work possible.
Chief Justice Willy Mutunga reiterated the court's efforts of speeding up all cases relating to lands, as its officials are on the ground, ready to track all the illegally acquired public lands, besides cautioning anybody taking public land as an idle property.
Public property is people's property. It cannot be trifled with, stolen, gifted, or otherwise appropriated for personal enrichment. Those who wish to test the judiciary's commitment to protect public property need to have a fresh look at the Constitution.
Both Orengo and Mutunga have also cautioned anybody disrespecting court orders, noting that it's an offense to engage in such a practice, considering the consequences it carries, as such culprits may face the full force of the law. Mutunga said anybody summoned by a judge and fails to appear before the judge will be arrested and charged with contempt of court.
I made it very clear that disobeying court orders is actually overthrowing the Constitution. And as a judiciary, we are not going to allow it to happen.
Josephine Wawera, GBS.